Top keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you open up Microsoft PowerPoint and you're happening to edit certain slides and you just want to have it easier whenever you keep track of the shortcuts that you can use. Now, as for these shortcuts, I'll simply open up Chrome and I'll open up this page from Microsoft themselves. And for various shortcuts available for Windows, for macOS, for iOS, Android, and even the web version of the PowerPoint. So in my case, I'm using macOS, so I'll just go to macOS and I can scroll down. You can see various different type of shortcuts, and these are the most frequently used ones. So you can create a new presentation by using Command N, add a new slide by using Command Shift N, apply bold formatting to the selected text by selecting Command B, and you can open the font dialog box by selecting Command T, and various more. Similarly for Windows also, if I go there and then I click on Windows, you should be able to see various shortcuts that are available. I'll make sure to drop a link to this directly in the description box if you'd like. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.